Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business social media visual using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A social media post opens on screen. Colors look fine. Content is strong, but something feels slightly off. Pixel aspect ratio quietly fixes that discomfort. The image regains natural width. Faces feel human again. Products stop looking compressed. A short silence helps evaluate the correction. Business posts compete for attention, and clean proportions decide credibility in seconds. Text placement is reviewed carefully. Spacing